Hello everyone, so now in this video we will see how to close many inactive window in a single click. For that first I will open more window here. So let me open, see here I'm opening many numbers of windows, right? So you can see I have opened total 8 numbers of window here. So I am in a level 6. This is my active view and the rest of the windows are not active. So I just wanted to close the rest of the window. So for that either I can just click on this cross arrow and close one by one. See I can just click on this cross arrow and just close this window. Alternatively, if I just wanted to close all the inactive window in a single click, then I will click on this button, see close inactive views. Then it will close all the inactive windows in a single click. See, let me click on this. So that's how you can close all the inactive window in a single click.